I think most of us would agree that development, for the most part, when it's done properly, it's a good thing. But what I'm noticing when I walk through District 2 is a huge rodent infestation. I'm noticing that children aren't outside playing where they normally would play at. I'm noticing that individuals aren't shopping locally because there's huge rodent infestations. And that's something that we need to clean up. And the first step to cleaning it up is coming together. We need to make sure that we keep our sidewalks as clean as possible, and we need to make sure that we address this rodent infestation properly. And the way that we properly document the rodent infestation is by calling 311, asking for the Department of Sanitation, and holding the Department of Sanitation responsible for the rodent infestation. Forcing them to document every call. So that way, when I'm your city councilman, I could say, our neighbors have called 100 times, 1,000 times, and nothing is being done. We need to allocate more monies to keep our streets clean, to fight against this rodent infestation, and to make sure that our streets are safe. We need our kids outside. We need our small businesses to thrive. We need to make sure that our neighbors could go to work, to and from work safely, that these rodents aren't chewing through the wiring in their vehicles. The reality is, we need the information. Once we have the information, we could review it, we could look at it, and we could say, listen, something needs to be done. And we know something needs to be done because this is a real issue. It's affecting our young. It's affecting our children from playing in the parks. It's affecting our seniors from going to shop. And as your next city council person, I'm gonna assure you that I won't let those numbers go unheard. I'm gonna advocate and make sure that we get the proper funding to address this issue, so that way I can walk the streets without wondering if a rat is gonna come too close by me or bite me. That way my great niece could play on these streets. That way my mother, who's a grandmother, could walk down the street holding her grandchildren and not fear that her grandchild is gonna get bitten by a rat.